exam, guys, they might test you on one topic, that is mark to market settlement or MTM settlement. Okay, it is a very simple concept and it will be tested for generally 5 marks. You only need to remember one table and that's good enough. You don't have to do or you don't have to come up with anything else. Just one table and that's it. Now, when I talk about mark to market settlement, it actually applies to the future contracts. Okay, it actually applies to future contracts. Whenever there is a contract, there's a difference, we have to settle the amount on that day. Okay, so if you just take a look at a question, that will give you more idea on what does it mean. Okay, so now we have a question where a company bought 100 contracts, everyone, on 1st Jan at the rate of 80 rupees. On 3rd Jan, they sold 40 contracts at the rate of 78. Tick value is given as 20. Daily prices are given as 79, 81, 76, 84, and we are required to do a MTM settlement. So, whenever there is a increase or decrease in the value of futures, we have to settle on that day. Now, how are we going to do that? Let's find out. So, we'll create a table, everyone. It's a simple table. We'll find out the dates, opening price, closing price, gain or loss. Okay, now dates will be 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 1. Opening price at the date 1 is better. I bought 100 contracts at 80. Closing price was 79. So what will be the gain or loss? Closing is 79, opening is 80. So gain or loss mein -1 multiplied by total number of contracts 100 multiplied by tick 20. It will be equal to -2000. Right?
Sir, what is that tick?
Tick is actually the change in value. Ab beta, when I talk about one future contract or one stock, okay, let's say that stock moves from 79 to 79.5, then 80, then again 79.5, then again 80, then 80.5, then 81, then again 80.5, again 81. Basically, what is happening? The movement in the stock is by 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Be it plus ka 0.5 or be it negative ka 0.5. That is called as tick, by which the particular contract is moving. That is called as tick. This data is for day 1. Let's go to day 2. Use over here. Day 2. Opening price will be 79. Closing will be 81. So now over here we are profitable. Profitable by 2 rupees multiplied by 100 multiplied by we sold on 3rd 20. 2 to 4, 4,000 will be the profit. Plus का 4,000. अब MTM settlement पे I will have to make a payment of 2,000 on that day. Other day I have to take back 4,000. Okay. Third day में I will have two things. Okay. My opening is 81, closing is 76. अब over here I have sold 40 contracts at 78. Okay, I have sold 40 contracts. So I will have two types of contract, 40 contract and then I will have 60 contract. Correct? 40 contract में बेटा I am making a loss of 78. 40 मतलब 81 minus 78 यानी minus का 3 multiplied by tick which is 20 plus 60 and then multiplied by minus का 5 because 81 to 76 multiplied by 20. So the final value that I'm getting over here is, what is the 12, 24, 6, 84 minus 8400 minus 8400. Final, fourth, opening price 76, closing price 84. Now I already sold 40 contracts. How many contracts I'm left with? 60 contracts. But this will be profitable for me. I'll make it green. Just for color purpose, nothing else. 60 contracts multiplied by 448 multiplied by 20. So the total profit will be fix it equal to positive ka 9600. So this is how you are going to solve an MTM settlement. But if you get this question, it means you are very lucky because it is very simple. There is nothing tough over here and it will be tested for at least 5 marks. That's what I have seen. Okay.
Yeah.
So today you will go and solve exam kit ka question beta. That will include future, forward and option. Okay. There is one thing that we will start today, I guess that would be better. That is netting, matching and netting. Basically the concept of netting. Now uh, I'll just quickly tell you on what this is. We'll do one question on netting tomorrow. Netting में basically what happened कि there is a parent company and which have a subsidiaries on a different aspects. Basically they are supposed to receive some amount and they are supposed to make a payment to another country. ठीक है? So over here what is happening? P has to make a payment to S. P has to make a payment to R. Q has to make a payment to R. Q has to make a payment to S. Lot of payments have to be made, right? So now what will happen? First of all, we will convert all of these payments into one currency. Okay. All of these payments into one currency. Generally, that currency will be parent company की currency. Up over here, if you look at the exchange rates, pound is given. So I'll convert everything into pound. I converted everything into pound. Over here, we have converted pound, 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 pound. All those who are already in pound, we don't have to convert them. Right. Just a second. Okay, everything is in. This is not pound actually. Everyone, this is euros that is given. Pound per euro is given. I'll convert everything onto one currency. Now, what will happen? Beta, first of all, I'll create this table PQRS, PQRS. Okay. Now, paid to P, paid by. We have to write down paid by over here and paid to over here. Or you can do that as well. Keep paid by over here and paid to over here. It's up to you. अब I generally check paid by paid to. ठीक है तो I do this thing paid by को I write down over here and paid to is over here, but it is up to you only. You want to do it like this, do that. So paid by R, so I'll just do O to S by P, O to S by P, यानी this is the amount 3.33. Second amount O to R by P, O to R by P, यानी this amount. That is why they are on the top. O to R by Q, O to मतलब O to R by Q, Q O to R, sorry, paid to R by Q. This is the amount. So we just have to note down all the amounts together, right? Then make a total of this table and make a total of this one, right? You have to make a total. I'll solve one question in next session. Okay, we have to make a total of everything. We get the amount 7083 110 10 10 and then we get these amounts. Because these are paid by, the total of paid by is positive and paid to is negative. Okay, so payment is negative, receipts is positive. Correct? What is happening? Payment यानी cash outflow negative. Paid by यानी I'm receiving positive. So we get the net of amount. When you subtract these two, you get the net of amount. So what does it mean? That S will make a payment, R will receive this much, Q will receive this much, and P will receive this much. So over here, you just need to remember the table ka कि paid to is here, paid by over here. This will be the total of positives, and over here, vertical will be the total of negative. That's it, nothing else.
Yes, yes, sir. I think I got it. It's easy. Yeah.
Sorry?
I think I got it. It's easy. Like, yeah, it's simple. Just we need to the net amount what you
Correct.
need.
We have to
Right.
connect the amount, that's it. Again, मतलब it's a very simple concept. देखो, I have done paid to over here. तो paid to S by P यानी this is the amount. S and P, this is the amount. Okay, you want to
Yes,
convert
sir.
it, you can do that. Canadian 3 million divided by 1.5 will be equal to 2. This is exchange rate. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll do one question where we will confirm this multilateral netting and hedging as well. If you feel that is required, otherwise you go and solve this question and let me know if there is any doubt.
All right, sir.
Okay, great. So that's it for the today's session.